Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of leaving a group in Facebook. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Facebook. Step 2. From the left-hand side, click on Groups. Step 3. Next to groups you've joined, click on See All. Step 4. Locate the group you want to leave and click on the 3 dots on the pinned group. Step 5. Click on Leave Group. Step 6. Confirm your decision by pressing Leave Group again. Step 7. If you want to prevent people from inviting you to join the group again, simply toggle the switch next to it. By following these simple steps, you can easily leave a group on Facebook and customize your group invitations. This will help you streamline your Facebook experience and focus on the groups that matter to you the most. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Facebook tips and tricks. Share this video with your friends who might also want to learn how to leave a group on Facebook. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.